Module 5. Beg, beg. Curse, curse. Delicate, delicate. Empire, empire. Faithful, faithful. Kingdom, kingdom. Mausoleum, mausoleum. Nanny, nanny. Noble, noble. Pack, pack. Patterned, patterned. Poisonous, poisonous. Refuse, refuse. Region, region. Tile, tile.
5D, Exercise 1, page 60.
The Mausoleum of Aisha Bibi. In the Taraz region of southern Kazakhstan, there stands a beautiful and mysterious building from many years ago. Hundreds of delicate pattern tiles decorate every wall of the building. It is called the Mausoleum of Aisha Bibi, and although its true origins are lost in history, there is a local legend that tells the tragic story of Aisha Bibi and her death. A long time ago, the great Khan of Taraz, Karakan, travelled to Samarkand. While he was walking along the streets of that great city, Karakan came across Aisha Bibi, the beautiful daughter of Kakimata. When Karakan and Aisha Bibi saw each other, they both fell in love. Karakan went to Aisha's father to ask if he could marry his daughter, but Kakimata refused. Although Karakan was a Khan, his kingdom was still very small at that time, and he had less money than Kakimata. There was nothing he could say to change Kakimata's mind. Before he left, Aisha Bibi and Karakan made a secret promise to marry each other. A few weeks passed, but Aisha Bibi had no news from Karakan. She decided to travel to Taraz to find him. Her mother helped her pack a few things to take with her, and sent her old nanny, Babaja Khatun, with her. But as Kakimata saw his daughter riding away, he shouted a curse after her. "You will cross 6 rivers, but you will not cross the 7th. The two women rode north for weeks until they saw the city of Taraz in the distance. Before they crossed the 7th river, they stopped so Aisha could bathe, forgetting her father's curse. Just then, a poisonous snake leapt from under a rock and bit her. The poison was fast. Aisha Bibi begged her nanny to ride ahead to Taraz and bring Karakan to her. The old woman rode as fast as she could, but when Karakan arrived, Aisha Bibi died in his arms. The noble Karakan ordered that a beautiful mausoleum would be built in the exact place that she died. Her faithful nanny, Babaja Khatun, guarded the mausoleum until her own death. Karakan later founded the great Karakanid Empire and became a powerful and wise Khan. He lived for many years but never married. When he died, he asked to be buried somewhere facing the beautiful mausoleum of Aisha Bibi. To this day, women who are getting married visit the mausoleum to ask for happiness and children. The legend says that anyone who visits the mausoleum of Aisha Bibi on their wedding day will have a long and happy marriage.